Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and help the channel grow. Hey you guys, I hope you're all doing amazing. I'm sorry for not posting videos. I've just been procrastinating so much and I never do anything. So I've purchased the shock in February and I received it in March, beginning March. I fixed the car. I made the video about it and I just never posted it. I edited it and now I'm adding obviously the voiceover part of it. So the video goes as follows. With the fender liner and I unplug the shock, and then the strut on top, it's got a electronic plug that controls the solenoid of the air. You plug that out, and the air pipe, and then you remove the bolt on top, and then I went from there, if I remember correctly, and I remove the bottom bolt of the strut on the control arm, and then I removed the strut, put the new one in, but I was struggling with the new one because obviously it was fully inflated. So what I did was I removed the top ball joint bolts from the wishbone because my ball joint was stuck, and then I got the strut in and I plugged in the sensor on top with one bolt just so it hangs in place. And obviously because the strut was extended too far, it was struggling to get it over the control arm again. So what I did was, if you open the door of the Mercedes, it self-levels itself. So what happened, because the right front is jacked up, it will deflate right front to bring the car back down, but obviously the car is in the air, so I have not hooked up the pipe. So when I opened the door, it deflated the shock, and then just by a little bit. So I closed the door again, waited like 5 minutes, opened the door again, deflated the shock again, and when it was deflated enough, I could obviously pick it up, push down on the entire bearing carrier and control arm, and hook it over the control arm. So, and then it's just assembly from there on. But anyways, I hope this video helps to whomever has the same issue, and don't forget to like and subscribe somewhere here at the bottom, I'm not sure. Just hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. Okay, so I don't have a 21 spanner, so I'm going to use two 21 sockets. Okay, so I couldn't get the ball joint out, so I just loosened the 3 upper control arm bolts, or wishbone bolts, and it just slid out the entire ball joint without struggling with that. Okay, the new one is mounted. It obviously just needs to be tightened up over there. And then I'll have to put this little ball joint back into the upper control arm, or wishbone, whatever you want to call it. And then I have to tighten this up here, these 3 bolts. The plug I plugged in, obviously with this pipe disconnected, if you open the door it deflates the strut, and then you close it, wait 5 minutes, open the door, deflates the strut, so that all the air comes out, so you can compress it a bit to take it upwards to get it over the control arm. Okay, so I cable tied these to this little hole here and then just together. It's obviously loose so that the strut can move up and down, and this can move because it moves with when you're turning. Because this little tab is broken off, which clips in there. So I just secured it to make sure the wires doesn't move to the control arm. I can't remember a thing. Oh Lord, send help. What was I talking about? Yeah, okay. I unplugged the shocks because my ball joint was rusted to the